Some good news to pass along to you. We have no tornado warnings. Every time I say that, it seems that we get more, so I'm not really going to concentrate on that. But rather severe thunderstorm warnings because several counties in southwest Georgia.
New kitchen. This used to be at the wall, but this one used to be like has a windows and the walls too. And then they're gonna put a new kitchen. I don't know why, but they want a new. So they said the series says it's gonna be 20 miles per hour wind gust. Actually blowing because today's wind advisory, and I don't know, maybe because they put it. Let me take my phone out. My new iPhone 11 on my birthday. My birthday's coming up, bro. I think I already answered the Facebook. 58. It's partly cloudy. The high is 65 and the low is 47. Oh god, Monday's gonna be 100% chance of rain and storms. They say it's gonna be this severe. Oh god, I have to go to school on Monday. This could be very scary. Yeah, 20 miles per hour with this wind. It is actually, yeah. It's actually 1:45 p.m. And oh gosh, I had a lot of apps. Let me activate. Gosh, I don't even have no storage. Let me activate the weather radio for like $1. So, 20 miles per hour is where my room there. So 20 miles per hour is actually afternoon. Oh gosh, what did I step? It's weird. Did I step? Alright, good. I can step. Gosh, that hurts. Oh yeah, throw the car in there. It's actually sunny, like in Texas. Right now, I want to move to Arizona. Whoa! Hold on, let me go on the door. I really wish I had a camera. Let me lock the door. There it is. I don't know what to do here. Oh wait, I'm yellow. Oh, I think I'm yellow or red. Oh, I'm red. I think I'm 30% because I live closely to Dallas. I live closely to Dallas. Can't you believe that? Yeah, wind advisory. Let me look it up. If I open this, the alert's gonna pop up. Ready? See? Uh, let me see in Dallas. Because mines aren't even in there. Cause I live Dallas County. Because I live in Dallas because I born Dallas. Oh, well, whatever. So it says it's gonna be. What's my target? Oh god, it's Dallas. Gosh, this is loud. What's the wind speed? Oh, 26. And mine's are 20. Dallas. Okay, I'm Dallas. Uh, Wind advisory is gonna be 20 to 30 miles per hour. It's expected. High. The wind speed is strong to make driving difficult. Residents may wish to take action to secure trash cans, wall furniture, and other lightweight other outdoor objects that may blow in around the strong winds. Here's a strong. I know. I'm so sorry. The quality is bad. It's because I want to use this because I'm using Camera Ringo. That's because it has a pause button and it makes faster. So I'm just using it like I don't know. And the camera thing, the app always in there. I don't feel like using it. I like using this one because I mean the quality is bad. Let me read this thing off. Oh god, there's a lot of counties, huh? Target areas: Anderson, Bell, Bosque, Collin, Comanche, Cook, Corio, Dallas, Delta, Denton, Eastland, Ellis, Earth, Falls, Varden, Freestone, Grayson, Hamilton, Henderson, Hood, Hopkins, Hunt, Jack, Johnson, Hoffman, Lamar, Passes, Leon, Limestone, um, McLennan, Milam, Les, Montague, Navarro, Paulo Pinto, Parker, Rains, Robertson, Rockwall, Somerville, Stephens, Terrence, Van Zent, Van Zendit, Zant, Wise, and Young. So my winter forecasts are Dallas Fort Worth. Yes, that is mine. That is my county. My Dallas County. You know why? I surf. Ooh, dang. Oh, there's Oregon. Hey, in Georgia it has tornado watch. You don't need to worry about it. Um, you know, I like using the internet, but it has these apps. It has tornado watch. Wait, what is it? Oh wait, a tornado want to take it off. Okay, here it is. Oh god, showers and storms Monday. Oh my god, mines are green or I think mines are like green or 30%.